Hi, and welcome to Lesson 3 of Headless Music's Guitar Book 1. Now, in this lesson, we're going to have two separate videos going over what this lesson goes over. The lesson goes over tuning the guitar and how to use a metronome. So the first lesson is this one, and we're going to go over tuning the guitar. So I have recorded on my screen a digital tuner through an app or software called Amplitube. Now, there are several free apps you can get on the market for your phone, and I would actually recommend those for most beginners. Now, that's not to say that what I'm using is impossible for beginners to use. It's just easier for me to show and demonstrate what we're trying to achieve using the software I've chosen. So, what is tuning? Well, first of all, fundamentally a guitar, when you play a string open, like that, so right there I was playing the littlest string at the bottom, called E. What you're hearing is the vibration pattern between the nut up here and the saddle on here. So essentially the 2 points where the string is touching the guitar. So once I play that, you're hearing the vibration in between. Now, in order to make sure a guitar is in tune, we want that specific vibration, the open vibration, to be a specific letter. So like I said, this is called E. So if I play it, you notice it might say a couple of different letters on the software. So what we're going to do is we're going to play that note. There, it's telling me it's E, but it's telling me that it's a little bit off. I want to tighten it. So to tighten, I would turn a tuning key towards myself. Now, I always start at the bottom, and it'd be string E, B, G, then at the top, D, A, E. So I play E, and it's a little too tight. So what I did there is I just kept playing it and turning the tuning key. Loosening would be turning away, so we'd be pushing the key this way, and tightening would be pushing it backwards. So loosen, tighten. And there we got it pretty much center. Now this tuner is very sensitive, but it shows our letters, and some tuners that aren't, app-based, or even some app-based tuners will show you the wrong letter. So you have to really pay attention. Play it a couple of times before you start tuning these keys. Because as soon as you start turning these keys, you risk breaking your string. And don't take that as a discouraging point. I just want you to know that you need to be extra careful when listening and looking at the tuner to figure out exactly what you need to do this correctly. So now we got E in tune. Let's play the B string. So this one says A with a hashtag symbol, which in music means sharp. So A sharp comes before B. That means my string is too loose. I need to tighten this string. So I'll take this one. I keep playing it as I tighten it. Now it says B, but it's still not B. It needs to be in the middle. Oh, I got it to the middle, but it went a little bit past, so I need to loosen the string a little bit. And there we go. Now B's in tune. So now I have 2 of my 6 strings in tune, and I would follow these instructions for every string.